Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make some personalized art. Things you're going to need: a pencil, whether it be any color you like, two markers, they could be any type of markers you like. I have the Illustrator markers here, and you are going to need some letter stickers. And it can be any type of letter stickers you like. I like these, so I'm going to use these. And you're going to use the first initial of the person's name. But I'm doing this one off myself, so I'm going to use S. So here's how this works. You take your pencil, you go from one corner of the paper to the other. Yes, it's not very good. I'm working with multiple pieces of wood here, so I know it's not going to be as good as it should. Alright, so once you're done using the pencil, set it off to the side. Take any color marker you like. I'm going to use blue. And use the big side in this case. Yes, this is going to take a little bit, but that'll be okay. I just want to show what this is capable of here. So now you fill this in, just like this. It does not have to be perfect. You just want to It doesn't have to be perfect. You can make it as clean or as kind of in. I want mine to have fades in it. So that's why, not fades, spots where there's no color and the spot where there is supposed to be color. It kind of gives it a kind of a cool appeal. So as you can see, I got the top part done. Now I'm going to use the other marker and do the same thing. As you can see, what I'm doing here is I'm filling in the other side. So there we go. So now these two, both sides are finished. So what I'm going to do now is take the letter S, put it in the center. Just like that. Now what you could do is if you need to cut it down, you can, and it won't affect anything. So let me bring this up to the light. This is what the finished product looks like. Initial art is what I call it. Pretty cool, huh? So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.